Hey friends, if you encounter the error x3audio17.dll was not found, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first resolution is to go to this website dll-files.com or any other popular DLL website and search for this DLL here and then hit enter. Wait for the results to load, and when this appears on the top, then click on it. After this, scroll down and click on download, and it will say your download will start in a few seconds, so I'll wait till then. Once it has downloaded, open this folder, right click on it, select extract all, click on extract, right click on this file, select copy, go to this PC, go to C drive, and then scroll down and click on Windows. Now scroll down to the syswow folder and double click on it. Right click in the open space and click on this option to paste, or press Ctrl plus V. You'll get an administrator prompt. Just click on continue. The next solution is to download DirectX. So search for DirectX in Google, on Google, and open the first option, which will be the website for DirectX. Now select your language and click on download. DirectX will download. Click on it. Click on yes for the administrator prompt. I accept the agreement. Next, next, and let it install all of the components. Once it has installed these components, your problem will be resolved. But if it does not resolve it, then the following solutions will be to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update, and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution will be to reinstall the program. So the procedure is somewhat similar. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to apps on the list on the left hand side. Installed apps in the right pane, and whichever application it is, click on the three dots associated with it. Uninstall and then once uninstall once again. Reboot your system and reinstall it from the original website. The last solution is to perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. This will surely resolve the problem. And if it resolved the problem, then please let us know in the comment section below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.